Instagram has added an update allowing users to now add up to 20 images to carousel posts, which is double the previous limit of 10. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make an Instagram carousel post with up to 20 images. Now, let's get started to create a carousel post on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and tap the plus sign in the bottom menu. Then select post. Select the first image to upload to your carousel post. Tap the carousel icon. Then continue selecting photos and videos to include in your carousel. You can have up to 20 images total in your post when you're done. Tap next. Now you can add filters to all of your images at once. If you tap an individual image, you can add different filters to each one or individually make edits to them, such as brightness, contrast, saturation, and more if needed. You can change the order you'd like your images to be presented in your carousel. Simply hold and drag to reorder them. Drag an image to the trash can icon. If you want to remove it from your post when you're done making edits, tap next. Lastly, you can add a caption, music, tier location, and adjust your sharing settings when you're done. Tap share to post your carousel. It takes to create a carousel post on Instagram with up to 20 images. Instagram also recently added the ability to add multiple sounds or songs. To Reels, click the video on your screen now to learn how to add multiple sounds to an Instagram reel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.